Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm in my tiny little kitchen. Guys, this is a reminder for the April Showers Mayflowers collaboration. Um, this is going to be for the 15th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to leave a tag video either here or here with the video with all the rules in the description box so you guys can join me. It's very simple, guys, very simple. As you guys can see back here in the background, I have a pineapple. It is a real pineapple, not one of those fake pineapple. It's real, guys. I've been waiting for it to get nice and juicy because that is going to be for my pineapple upside down cake, guys. I went to the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree got some nice color flowers, guys, and some nice wow, I'm drawing a blank. Placemats and chargers. I love what I got from the Dollar Tree. I also went to Savers. I found one teapot that I added to my collection. I will show it to you guys, but guys, I want you guys to come and check out that teapot. Oh, and by the way, I also find some napkins. Um, find some napkins and this I paid $2.99. And also I went to the Salvation Army. I find some clothes on the Salvation Army. They have 99 cent day. So I just found some workout, those leggings to work out, the good brand. So I found one long one short one, and then I found a strapless suit, silk, black on the bottom and white on the top. But that stuff have to get washed before I put that on or try that on. I know it fits. And also, guys, my teapot. I'm gonna show you a sneak peek. I'll be right back. I'm gonna tease you with my teapot. I'm just gonna show you the tip of it. It's cool, like you guys can see. Guys, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So that's all you guys going to see. Anyway, guys, I'm getting ready to make some empanadas. Here I am. I'm going to do for my April shower Mayflower. This is a freestyle. I'm going to do a tea party. I'm getting ready to cook some food. I'm going to be making some empanadas. I'm going to be making two types of empanadas. I'm going to make, you guys know that I don't eat meat like that. The only meat that I eat is fish, seafood, and, well, not all types of seafood either, but shrimp and turkey. And once in a blue moon, maybe a little piece of chicken breast or whatever. But I'm going to make, I made for, my family wanted a pork shoulder for, oh my goodness, Easter Sunday. And I have some left. So what I'm going to do is I have froze it. I had to get everything out of the bone and I have froze it. I'm going to show you what it looks like, guys. I just throw it out. I just thought it out. So I got it right here. So see, that's what it looks like. It smells delicious, guys. But I'm gonna make that for my husband. I'm gonna make some empanadas with that. And then I believe there are 10 discs in here, so I'm gonna make 5 of those for empanadas. And then I'm gonna take the other 5 and I'm going to make the type of like with cream cheese and guava paste inside. And then once you take them out of the oil, you can either fry them or bake them. And once you take them out of the oil, you let them cool down completely. And then you sprinkle them with powdered sugar, and you use that for your tea party. And I also have some other biscuits and cookies that I will be using for my tea party, guys. I hope you guys can join me for my April Showers Mayflower collaboration. But anyway, guys, let me get busy with this. So guys, this is half of the container. You guys can see there's still some in there. This is, I chopped it all little pieces. So guys, now we're just going to heat up the meat and add a little bit of few more spices. Or maybe not, I'm not sure. But I think I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, garlic powder, nothing with salt. Mrs. Dash, I'm going to be adding some of that. And then I'm going to be making the empanadas. Guys, this is what it looks like. You find this in your local grocery store. You know, like Aldi, Save-A-Lot, Stop and Shop, whatever major grocery store you have around in your area. This is where you find this in the international frozen foods. A lot of people confuse this with tortillas. These are not tortillas. They are specifically, there's the thing, empanada dough disc. The tortillas are dry. You cannot, they're for different thing. So anyway, guys, I'm going to add my pepper, Mrs. Dash, and all that stuff to that, and I'll be right back. Well, guys, I managed to make 9 empanadas. They're still not cooked. They are small. You guys see, they're small. You guys see that white on it? That's flour from when they make it. So, and they put on the container so they won't stick together. And they also have a little paper in between. Well, I only have one left, and it's not enough to do my guava and cream cheese pastries, but I'm still gonna get another package, do my guava and pastries. You guys will see that. Or maybe I make my own dough. Who knows? Maybe I make my own dough and I make it sweeter. I like making things from scratch. Once in a while, it's okay to use something from the store, but me, I like cooking. I like making things from scratch. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna fry these. And like I said, I only did half of the meat, so most likely this will be eaten today. It's not gonna be good into the, my tea party. But this is gonna be for today, and then I will make some more for my tea party, which my son, my daughter, my grandson will be here. I will show you the table, how I set it for the tea party, but the time that I do my tea party with my family, that is a private time for us to talk about everything that's going on, to listen one another. So that I do not record because that is private time. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna come back to you with the end of results of the empanadas. Well, guys, with the one that I have left, I decided to make just one empanada with the guava paste and Philadelphia cream cheese for me for today. So, guys, let me finish and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, this is what the cream cheese and guava looks like. It is so good. Now I'm frying the meat for when my husband comes home from work. And my son is gonna stop by, so they can have that snack. All right, guys. See you at the end. All right, guys. I'm cooking my last 3. This is what they look like inside. You guys can see that's the pork. They're finger food, what I call. They're small. This is a half of one. And this one, this is called empanadas in English. And in Spanish, they're called empanadillas. So I got that there. And I place them in here. So what, oh, sorry, I kicked the tripod. So what I do is I put a napkin on the bottom, put them looking down with that part down. so any extra oil they get inside will drip into the paper towel. So guys, um, this that's all for today, guys. And let me show you something else that is going to be used on my table cake. Guys, I have to tell you also Dollar Tree is bringing some nice candles. This is going to be the color that I will be using for my tablescape. This is like they're not like the regular candles, but they have like they look more fancier, so you guys could get this at the Dollar Tree. But yeah, guys, sneak peek, look at the color. Yeah, look at the color. All right, guys, let me leave it right there. And I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.